Hey, hello, hi, hello. So, as you've seen from the title, we are not going to be doing drawing today. We are going to be doing crochet. So, yeah. What you're going to need for this is you're just going to need a crochet hook and yarn. And yeah. So, what we're going to be crocheting today is a simple chain stitch, as I have done over here. And at the end, I'm also going to make our chain stitch into a bracelet. So if you want to stick around for that, then sure. So yeah. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to wrap the yarn around your finger twice and make 2 loops, as I have done here. Then you're going to want to pull the first one underneath your finger and pull the second one underneath that loop. Then pull the first one on top and then pull that like this to make your slip knot. So yeah, this is going to be how you can start off with your chain stitch. And really any crochet thing you're making, you're going to have to do the stitch for it. Next, you're going to want to put your crochet hook into your yarn loop, and then you're going to want to wrap this around, pull, wrap the yarn around on top, pull, wrap the yarn on top, pull, wrap the yarn on top, pull, and keep on doing that until you get a nice long chain or short chain, however you want it to be. Wrap around, pull, and just keep on doing that. Wrap around, pull, wrap it on top, pull, wrap it on top, pull, wrap on top, pull, and keep just doing that until you get a chain. As I said before, just keep on doing that until you get a nice long chain. Okay, so now I've got a chain that is pretty long, but I'm going to make it as long for my wrist because I want to make this a bracelet. You guys, if you want, you can also do that with me. So yeah. Okay. So I think this is long enough for me. Nice long chain. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take the first stitch I did, I'm gonna want to put my yarn in that first stitch, and then I'm gonna take the longer piece of yarn. Don't take the short piece. I've made that mistake a million times. And you're gonna want to just pull that with it like so, and then you're gonna want to cut that long piece off like so. Once you have cut it off, you are gonna take your crochet hook out, and you're gonna want to pull the longer piece of string into your loop like so, and yeah, pull it tight. You have got a nice bracelet to wear now. And if you want, it's kind of cool actually if you leave both of these off, but I'm going to cut those off. So yeah, I'm going to just cut those off really quick. Snip. And the other one. Snip. And yeah, that's your bracelet, guys. I hope you all enjoyed this video and found this tutorial easy of how to make your own crochet bracelet. So yeah, thanks for watching and bye!